Everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll know that how you can create NumPy arrays. Okay, there are few ways you can create NumPy arrays. So in this video we'll know that step by step how you can create NumPy arrays. So before we jump into the creating NumPy arrays, we'll show that what is NumPy. So NumPy is a most powerful libraries for numerical computing in Python. Okay, if you're in data science or machine learning or data analytics, I think you need to know mathematical calculation. Okay, so for that you have to use NumPy. Any calculation, any mean, median, mode to any derivative integration, any calculation you need, so NumPy is very important for that. Okay, so you can in NumPy you can work with arrays. There is a data type called arrays in Python, like list. In NumPy also have a data types is homogeneous data type is called arrays. Homogeneous means it's collect same data type in one NumPy array. Okay, like list, in list you can store string, tuple and integer at once in one list, but in NumPy it's not the things. In NumPy you can have to store one type of data types. Okay, so let's get started. Here also I written that NumPy is short for numerical Python, is powerful library that provides support for large multidimensional arrays and matrices, along with a vast collection of mathematical functions to operate on these arrays efficiently. What I am said right now, it's also written over here. And it's very important that Python is very slow than NumPy, because NumPy implemented in C language. It's not written in Python. It's written in C language. So now we'll see that how you can create NumPy arrays. First we'll create that from list. We write one list. Now first we import NumPy module as np, and we create a list, and we pass this. You have to use np.array and pass the list. If I pin this, you will see we get NumPy. So how you can, if you check the data type, so you see that numpy.in.array, you will see that it's NumPy array, it converted. Okay, creating 2D NumPy array. If you pass two lists inside a one list into the NumPy array, inside the NumPy array, you will get 2D NumPy array. You will see where I just printed. You will see this is 2D NumPy array. Also you can set it matrices, because it's a column and rows. Okay, you have to just pass two lists and just inside one list. Okay, this is called 2D array. Creating an NumPy array with zeros and ones. If you pass input zeros, you will see that we already printed. You will see that all the zeros in this 2D NumPy array and all the ones when you pass ones. If you need, when all the component is 0, you will write input zeros, and when you need ones, you can use number ones, input ones. Creating also, you can create NumPy array with range of values. Input range, if you pass this, you will see that if I 15, I will just 25 and print it. From 0 to 24, it's created NumPy array. Okay, it's range, like for loop in range. Okay, if you use for loop, you have to write a code for loop in range. If you just use NumPy input.range, you will easily get these things. Creating a random NumPy array. If you need any random NumPy array, input random.rand, this model you have to pass. You will get 3 by 3. If I give 3, not 3, 4, you will see that 3 by 4. Okay, there's a 4 columns and 3 rows, and all the values are 0 between 0 to 1. Okay, all the values come in under the 0 and 1. This is how you can create NumPy arrays. Okay, this is very easy. Also I will check over here that what is the data type. I will check. Let me check. you also see now input nd array. This is how you'll create NumPy arrays. This is very easy, and NumPy is very important to know if you're going for any role like data analytics, data science. You must know NumPy. Okay, first you should know that how you can create NumPy array, and then you will operation on that arrays. Okay, because now in NumPy is all the arrays. One data type is array. If you like this particular video and if you have any query, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, and thank you.